Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering some unbelievable frog cooking techniques that are taking France by storm. France is the land of haute cuisine, where the art of cooking is revered and respected. But amidst the rich flavors and intricate preparations, a new trend is emerging, one that's got everyone croaking with excitement. Frog cooking, a culinary phenomenon that's been around for centuries, is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, with top chefs and restaurants across the country jumping on the bandwagon. But what's behind this unusual trend, and what makes frog cooking so unique? Preparing frog dishes, however, is no easy feat. For one, sourcing fresh frogs can be a challenge, especially in urban areas where the supply chain can be limited. Chefs have to rely on specialty suppliers or venture into the countryside to catch their own, which can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. On top of that, there's the cultural perception of frogs as a food source, which can be a hard sell for some diners. Many people still view frogs as pests or pets rather than a viable ingredient, and convincing them to leap can be an uphill battle. Another hurdle chefs face is the delicate nature of frog meat. It's a sensitive protein that requires precision and care to avoid overcooking or under-seasoning. Frog legs in particular are prone to drying out, which can result in a less than ideal texture. To overcome this, chefs have developed specialized techniques such as marinating the frog legs in flavorful broths or using gentle cooking methods like sous vide. But even with these precautions, there's still a level of risk involved, and only the most skilled and confident chefs are willing to take on the challenge. Despite these obstacles, frog cooking is gaining momentum in France, with top chefs and restaurants showcasing their unique takes on this ancient ingredient. From classic dishes like cuisses de grenouille à la provençale to more modern creations like frog leg tempura, the possibilities are endless. And it's not just about the food itself. Frog cooking has also become a symbol of cultural revival, with many chefs drawing inspiration from traditional French cuisine and updating it for the modern palate. One chef who's been at the forefront of this movement is Cyril, a culinary innovator from Lyon who's gained international recognition for his revolutionary frog cooking techniques. His restaurant, Le Grenouille, has become a mecca for foodies and frog enthusiasts alike, with dishes like frog leg carpaccio and frog-based bouillabaisse drawing rave reviews. Cyril's passion for frog cooking is infectious, and his dedication to promoting this underrated ingredient has inspired a new generation of chefs to follow in his footsteps. Cyril's most famous dish, however, is his signature frog leg confit, which has taken the culinary world by storm. This slow-cooked masterpiece involves simmering the frog legs in a rich, flavorful broth for hours, resulting in a tender, fall-off-the-bone texture